Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Let's give a couple of minutes for others to join.
Yes.
Yesterday, my voice was clear. Did you understand my voice? Because I have sore
Yes, sir.
throat. Were you able to understand my voice yesterday?
Yeah,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Today also? Is it fine?
It's
Yeah.
clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because I have sore throat. How many of you think about your career? Career? Hmm?
Yeah.
Sorry? You think about you think about career or career?
Career.
I'm just kidding, okay?
Okay, sir.
It's Kabutra wala career.
Pigeon.
That day Yukti may pronounce clearly. Rest of the guys career. Right, Yukti? One, two, three, four, five. Online. Let's wait for others to join. Next 2 minutes I'll give. Then we'll start at 9:36. और पंकज उदास जी क्या हाल है आपके?
सर ट्रेन में हूँ, घर को जा रहा हूँ।
अरे रे रे, ट्रेन से क्लास ले रहे हैं?
हाँ सर, ट्रेन में हूँ।
Good. See the dedication, guys, for Pankaj. He's traveling, but still he joined the class. I really
Wi-Fi
appreciate.
facility is available, I think.
Good, good.
अनम्यूट करना। हाँ
Mute कर लो पंकज, mute.
हाँ सर, हाँ किया।
Okay, okay. So Yukti is also traveling along with you.
यस सर, यस सर।
Okay.
Yeah, we are listening the track sounds also, sir.
Okay, guys, please go on mute. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about mathematical functions.
Mean mode.
Did you try this? Sum of bottom three value, top three values. Did you try this?
No, I haven't tried it.
Okay. These are some definitions. Subtotal. So yesterday I told you that subtotal and this aggregate I will discuss tomorrow. So today we'll discuss what is subtotal and what is aggregate. Okay. I have these numbers. Numbers are 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. If I say sum of these numbers, result 60. 10, 20, 0. Result will be
30.
30. I have three numbers, 60. I have three numbers, but third number is 0, giving me 30. Okay, done. Here I have two numbers and one text. If I sum these three, result will be
Yeah, right. 30.
30.
yeah. Here I have two numbers and one error. If I say sum of these three, result is
Not an
NA.
error.
If I have two numbers and other error type division by zero error, if I sum these three, result is
0, division.
division error. Whatever error is there, it will giving me the same kind of things, same error, NA error, division error. Because two numbers and one error, two numbers and one error. Here error is NA, result is NA. Here error is division error, same division error is here. Okay, now let's see here. If I sum all these numbers, sum is here, row number 25. If I sum up these numbers, if I say sum of these numbers, result is there. Let me Control C and apply Control V here. Control R. Everywhere I have number, everywhere I have sum. Here I have NA. Why NA?
We have array NA on the error top.
We have NA error. That's what it is showing me, NA error. Same thing here also, right?
Yeah.
So in between, if you have any kind of error, and if you are going to apply some function, it will not give you the sum. It will give you that error. Whatever error is there, it will give you that error. Now, what we understood from sum function is sum function cannot ignore error. Cannot ignore
Error.
error. And it cannot ignore hidden rows. Example here. If I hide these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 rows. See, what is that total here without hiding? 9, 12,
9,
right?
12.
But if I hide these 5 rows, now total should be how much?
912. 621.
It should be 621 if I hide. So let's suppose, let me hide it. What is total here?
912.
Still same total, right?
Yes.
But total should be
612.
621.
Sorry, 621.
It means some function cannot ignore errors. Some function cannot ignore hidden values, right? Then which function I can use so that it can ignore any error or any kind of error, and whatever visible cells are there, it should show me total of those cells only. Example here. These are visible cells and I want to see total of visible cells only. I want to see total 621, but it is showing me
912.
how can we do that? Some function can't do it. In that case, what we can do? We can apply subtotal. We can apply subtotal. Let me apply subtotal. The moment you apply subtotal, now it is asking you what you want to do. Sum number 9, right?
Yeah.
Either you can write manually number 9 or double click on this comma. Then these are the reference. This is the reference. Close parenthesis. The result is
912.
912. Done, 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 done. 1 minute. Working fine. Here also working fine. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Here, if I say control V, do you think that it's working?
No.
Not working. But let me tell you one thing. Let me only apply filter on, or let me hide this. Is it giving me that total
No.
621? No. But if I am unhiding this, and if I'm applying filter, let's suppose I want to see sum of only B2 and B3. Total is how much?
737.
Total is what?
737.
It means subtotal can show me the sum of filtered value. Filtered value total. I filtered on B2, it's giving me filtered value total this. But it cannot ignore hash NA.
If we filter hash NA in the sorting,
Sorry?
if we filter NA in the sorting, will it give us the total count? No, ignore it.
61. Here,
Not here.
NA.
So on the January month, so select everything apart from NA. Will it give us the total count?
Yes.
Okay, January we got 844.
But hash NA it can't ignore. Okay. Then what we can do? Filtered value total is giving me some function cannot, if I say filtered on B2, B3, and if I check the total of these numbers, it's 737, it's giving me 737, but some function
912.
is still giving me same. But subtotal, filtered value total is giving, right? But it's not ignoring the hash NA, right? Hash and it's B3, right? If I apply filter on, let's suppose B1, B2, B3, hash and is there, right? But total is what?
No,
It's not ignoring NA, hash NA. In that case, what we can do, we can apply which function?
aggregate.
Aggregate function I'll apply. Let's try this. Again, I will say number 9, comma, ignore hidden rows, error values, nested subtotal, and aggregate function. I will go with number 3, comma, array. What is your array? My array is this. Selected, close parenthesis. Everywhere showing me NA, but aggregate function
Ignoring NA.
giving me total of all these values, ignoring hash NA. Now drag it. Now if I filter on, let's suppose I'm filtering on B2, B3. B2, B3 total is how much? 643, 640. For this total is how much?
648.
648. Aggregate function can ignore hash NA. It can ignore hidden values. Example here. If I hide this, what is the total of these numbers now?
707.
What is total here?
707.
What is total of this?
621.
621. Aggregate function. What is total here? Sum.
912. 912.
Now we got it. Difference between sum, subtotal, and aggregate. Who will tell me difference of these three?
Sum will give you the total sum of the rows. Can't ignore errors. It can't ignore hidden rows. And it can't be sorted with the. It can't give you the filtered sum of any of the calculation. And subtotal. With subtotal, you can get the count, but you can't ignore NAs and you can't ignore hidden rows. But what you can do in the subtotal is you can filter you can put your filters conditions applied and get the count of the filters applied.
Correct.
And aggregate depends on the selection you take. It can ignore the errors, it can ignore the hidden rows.
Excellent. Yes. So these are three main differences, okay, between sum, subtotal, and aggregate. Let me unhide it. Now what I'm going to do here is, if I apply some of these numbers, let me apply here some of these numbers. Subtotal I want to apply number 9, comma, done. Drag it right hand side. Now if I apply this function here, this divided by this number C2 divided by C1, 100%. 936 divided by 936, 100%, right? If I put a filter on, let's suppose Hyderabad. Total of Hyderabad is how much?
275.
275. This 275 is how much percentage of 936?
29.
9%.
39. Sorry, 29.
If I say Delhi,
34%.
clear? Yeah. Then how can I fix it? Ration is there, right? In this case, we cannot apply because it will giving me some will give me NA only. Why? Because NA is there, right? That case, if for this particular example, for this you can apply here aggregate function. This particular only. Okay. Particular. Any questions on this table? With subtotal, we can also apply count. For count, which number I need to choose?
2.
Count only count number. How about count A? Difference between count and count A. Tell me guys, difference between count and count A.
Count means we have to count all this, sir.
And count?
Count means we have to calculate particular values.
What particular values? Counts number only.
Count will calculate all the numbers it will take. In count A, except blanks, it will take all the numbers.
Yes. If you want to count NA also, then tell me, should I choose count or count A?
All the numbers.
A, count A.
A.
Count A, right? I want to count everything. Reference is this. How many lines?
18.
18 lines. Check it here.
Yes.
If I put a filter on Hyderabad, how many lines for Hyderabad?
5.
5 lines. Done.
Yes.
EMI table. We delete it. Delete. It. EMI table is what basically. So whenever you are taking a loan, the very first important thing whenever you are taking a loan, what you are looking into, like
Rate
if
of
you
interest.
exactly ROI, rate of interest. Yes. The first question from your side to bank or to the caller or to the bank manager or whoever is calling you, the first question will be, what will be the ROI? They're telling 12.5, 12, 11, 10.5, personal loan. Home loan, they will tell you 7.35, 8, 8.35, 8, whatever it is. Depends on the bank, depends on the loan amount, right? Loan amount, yes. How much loan you are taking? Tenure in years. If I am taking a loan for 10 years, how many months will be there?
10 into 12.
Hmm?
10 years. 120.
120 months, yeah. If I'm taking a loan for 10 years, total months will be 10 into 12, 120, yes or no?
Yeah.
If ROI is 12% annual rate, right? 12% annual rate ROI, in that case, if I take monthly ROI, then it should be divided by 12, yes or no?
Yep.
1% monthly basis, right? Now there are three functions.
Oh, yes.
There are three functions. First is PMT. First is PMT. This is not pre-medical test. This is not a medical exam test. PMT means payment. PMT payment. This PMT function we are using to calculate EMI. To calculate EMI, nothing but what will be my monthly EMI. For this, we are using PMT function. Function name is PMT. If you are checking that, okay, in EMI, what is my principal portion? In that case, the function name will be PPMT, principal payment, PPMT. If you want to know that in my EMI, what will be my interest portion? Then it will be IPMT, interest payment. Okay. Let's suppose this is the EMI, monthly EMI, 14,347. In this 14,347, it's a combination of two things. First is,
Principal and interest.
second is interest. So PMT, EMI, PPMT principal portion, IPMT interest portion. Now, let's first calculate the EMI. Then we will bifurcate. What is the principal portion? What is the interest portion? We will bifurcate it. Let me check it here. Let me use this function PMT. The moment I write PMT, what is the message it's giving me?
Calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate.
Yes. How many arguments?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How
5.
many? How many mandatory?
3.
3.
Rate. Rate is this. Okay. If this rate is annual rate, then what I will do, I will divide by 12. Why do I divide by 12? Because I want to know monthly EMI, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
comma, net period is this. If 10 years, then I want to know in 10 years how many months
120.
into 12? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
Comma,
sir.
PV means principal value is this.
Yeah.
Close parenthesis. Now, which function shall I use so that negative amount can be changed into positive? What is the formula name?
Minus ABS function.
Exactly. I will apply ABS only. ABS, then hit tab key. Go in the last. This parenthesis closed for PMT. Now one more parenthesis closed for ABS. Now this will be your monthly EMI. If you are taking a loan for 10 lakhs rupees for 10 years, 12% interest rate, you need to pay it every month 14,347.09 up to 120 months. Up to
120 months.
now the question is, how can I get the principal portion in this amount? How can I get the interest portion in this amount month on month basis? See what happens whenever you are taking a loan. Let's suppose you're taking a loan for 10 years. Do you know that for how many years the principal will be less, interest will be more?
Initial 1 years.
It will be close to, out of 10 years, we're taking for 10 years, it will be close to 4-5 years. 4-5 years, you will be paying more interest, less principal. I will tell you. Principal amount is this is equal to this. Right? Principal portion I want to know. Principal portion, what is the function name? PPMT.
PPMT.
Rate. This is my rate. Since I need to drag this formula down or right hand side, right, drag it down, then what I need to do, freeze it, right?
Yes.
I need to freeze this B3. Now divided by 12.
Mm.
Period for 1
10
month,
years.
2nd month, 3rd month, 4th month, 5th month. This is the period. These are the periods. Period 1, period 2, period 3, period 4, period 5. Nothing but this. If you want to drag it down, then it will become here A7, A8, A9. If you want to freeze A, you can freeze it, else it is fine because I'm not going to drag it to right hand side. If I'm going to drag it right hand side, then this A will become B, right?
Yes.
So not required. If you want to freeze A, you can freeze, still you can freeze it A. That's okay. Don't freeze it, it's still fine. Comma. Net period. Net period is this. I will drag it down this time B2. If I drag it down, it will become B3, B4, right? So that I will freeze it B4. Now this is 10 years. I want to see month on month basis. Then it should be multiplied by 12, right? Comma. Principal value. This one. It has to be freeze every time. We need to multiply this principal value only. Just freeze it. Let it freeze. Done. Parenthesis close. If I see this in negative, I will apply which function?
ABS.
ABS. Done. This is the principal portion. Let me apply interest portion. Same thing, IPMT rate.
12%.
I will phrase it. Divide by 12, comma. Period is this, comma. Net period will be this. I will phrase it. Multiply by 12, comma. Principal value will be this. I will phrase it. Parenthesis close. Again, I'll apply one more function. ABS. ABS, hit tab. Go in the last. Close parenthesis. Hit. Total of these two is how much?
14,347.
What is the monthly EMI?
14,347.
Which we calculated earlier, right? And which function we use for EMI?
PMT.
So if I say that total of principal plus total of interest, your EMI, yes or no?
Yes.
Now see, these both are matching. If you are paying principal portion of this much amount in first month, the remaining principal will be this minus this, yes or no?
Yes.
Total principal, first month the principal was 10 lakhs and you paid first EMI. After paying first EMI, in first EMI you are paying this much of principal portion, then it will be how much remaining principal? This much, yes or no?
Yes.
Closing balance of previous month will be opening balance of current month, yes or no?
Yeah.
This is the closing balance. Now this closing balance will become opening balance for current month. Nothing but this equal to this. Done. This closing balance will become opening balance of the current month. Done. Now what I'll do is I'll just drag this formula down. Let me go in the last and drag it down. Control D. After 120 months, what will be my principal or total outstanding amount? Nothing, right?
0.
0. Now you will shocked to see that if you are taking a loan of 10 lakhs rupees and you have decided to close the loan after 4 years. 4 years nothing but 4 into 12, 48 months. After 48 months, you have decided to close the loan because you have some funds. You want to give that fund to the bank and you decided that I will close my loan. This is the amount. Please take it and tell me how much I need to pay extra. What they will do, they will charge some foreclosure charges also. 3% happens.
Yes.
3%, 4% they will charge foreclosure charges. Plus remaining principal amount they will take, and on that remaining principal amount they will charge 4% plus GST. 18%, 18% GST they will charge. Now let's see. After 48 months, 48 months. Let's suppose I have paid 48 EMI, 48th EMI, nothing but 4 years completed. After completing 4 years, what is the outstanding principal amount?
7,33,000.
Let me copy it, let me paste it here. And how much total amount you already have paid to the bank? Can I multiply this 14,347 multiply by 48? Yes or no?
Yes.
This will be how much?
6,88,000.
688,6. Okay. 688,660. Done. Okay. And they will also charge the 4% GST on this. Sorry, % closure charge. Yes or no?
Yes.
It means, let me apply 3% only. 3%. Plus 18% GST. Done. Now you already have paid this much amount, 48 months. Okay, and this is much you need to pay as outstanding principal. This is foreclosure. This is GST. You know how much total amount in 4 years?
Max 48,000.
And how much loan you took?
10 lakhs.
In 4 year only, you need to pay this much amount. You know why? Just notice this portion, principal portion and interest portion. Can you see? Interest portion is more. Can you see compared to this?
Yes.
Just check it. I think it will be up to 50 months if I'm not wrong. 50 months. This is interest, this is principal. interest, principal. Up to 51 months, you are paying more,
interest,
less.
principal.
तो बैंक वाले को प्रॉफिट यही रहता है. 30% population, they are paying the loan after completing 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. In that case, they will be in profit only, right?
Obviously.
See the example here only. Now, I want to see total principal amount. How much? 10 lakhs, right?
That's
And how much interest amount in 120 months? Can I say sum of interest portion? This total how much interest I need to pay in 10 years?
7,21,000.
If I say total, it would be
17,21,000.
these two. 10 lakhs लोन के लिए तुम्हारे को 10 years में इतना अमाउंट पे करना है, 17,21,000. Now I want to create a chart on this. Insert. I will go with pie chart. The chart section will be separate session, don't worry. Right click, I want to data labels, done. And here instead of values, I want to take as a percentage. Take percentage, remove values. Format legend, right hand side, okay, done. Let me decrease the size of this. Now you see 58% is your
Principal.
42% you are paying as a
interest
in total amount. Clear on PMT, IPMT, BPMT? Is it clear?
Yes.
Try this today and submit the result.
Okay.
Named ranges. Okay, we discussed about this thing earlier already. If I have these three teams, right? MIRRGT. What are these names? These teams?
Mumbai Indians.
Teams, Mumbai Indians, Rajasthan
IPL
Royals,
teams.
Gujarat
IPL,
Titans.
IPL teams, right?
Yeah.
How can I give the name to this range?
Data validation.
No. I would give a name to this range. This is my range. Range is what? From S5 to S7 is my range. This range I want to give a name.
Okay.
I can go there and I can write here, right? This we already discussed as part of our data validation. Yes or no? Select the range, give the name. Select the range, give the name here. IPL teams, IPL underscore teams. If you're writing IPL space teams, it won't accept the message. Either you can give underscore or without space. It will be accepted. I can give here IPL teams, hit it. If I'm putting my cursor here and going back to this and choosing IPL teams, can you see the selection?
Yes.
If I'm putting my cursor here, anywhere, selecting IPL teams. Now I want to remove this IPL teams named range. I cannot go here and I cannot remove it from there. No. If I say backspace, it won't be deleted. How can I delete it? I need to go into formulas. Click on
Name manager,
name manager, then
IPL teams.
I will select it and hit delete. I won't delete everything from here. All the named ranges, delete, hit OK. Close. Now here, if I want to take a sum of net salary, if I want to take a sum of net salary, sum of net salary. If I want to know max of net salary, max of
Net salary.
See what I'm doing every time I'm selecting this range, max of this range, sum of this range, yes or no?
Yes.
And minimum of this range, again I'll min function, again I will select it and I will say min of this range every time, correct?
Yes.
What I will do is, I will give a name to this range, selecting from here to here, okay? And I will give a net salary, NET underscore salary. Hit enter. Now here I will apply. Now here I will apply the function, sum function. Sum of, this time I will not select the range. I will write NET. Can you see?
Yes.
Just double click on it. Done. Here I will apply same thing. Sum of NET. Double click on this. Here I will write max of net salary. I can do it. Here I will apply average of reductions. It is not showing reductions. Why?
We didn't give any name to that reference.
We didn't give name to this reference, right? In that case, if I say max of HRA,
you have to manually select the range, or you have to give the name to the reference.
I don't see named range for HRA. I don't see named range for deductions. Then again, I have to go back and I need to give, I will select it. I will go here. I will give name to this HRA, right? I will go here, deductions, I'll select it, and then I'll give a name to this deductions. Instead of that, what I can do is, first let me delete this, delete, okay, delete. Instead of this, what I can do is, I can select this entire table, and I will go with this option, create from
Selection.
the shortcut key for this is
Control Shift F3.
either you can click on this or you can apply Control Shift F3. Control Shift F3. This window will appear. Remember that first and the second should be tick mark. Only first one, sorry. Okay. The moment you hit OK, you can check it. Can you see basic salary? Range? Can you see reductions? Can you see designations?
Okay.
HRA? Net salary. Now everything is created from this table. You know, top row, nothing but top row. That's what it was showing.
Header.
Top row, header, yes. Now here I can apply average of reductions here. Max of
HRA.
Double click on this. Any question?
Can you go to the headers once? Okay. So in headers, it will take spaces, but when you give it as a reference, it will not. Okay. And give you the underscore.
Yes, automatically. It will take automatically.
Okay.
But again, I have one challenge here. The challenge will be this. See, what is the total of net salary?
50 lakhs, 5 lakhs 85,000, 5 lakhs 8,000.
5 lakhs 8,500. If I will add one more employee here, suppose employee is no total should be,
5 lakhs 26,000,
but what is total here?
5 lakhs 8,500.
Why?
Because we give the reference till there only, row 19.
Yes, if I want to get this result, accurate result, then what I need to do?
Update the table again.
Yes, in that case, net salary वाला जो table है उसको I need to update it. Choose it, click on add it, and can you see the reference until last line is
19.
19.
Change it to 20.
Here it is.
20.
If I say max of HRA, again, it has to be added. Yes or no?
Yes.
It should be 20. If I say min of basic salary, again I have to go to basic salary, add it, and it should be
20.
Don't you think that it's
Redundant for
has to change every? Do anything like do you know anything in Excel? If I add something here, the formula will be auto extended. If I add some value there, the format will be auto extended. What kind of that option in Excel? What kind of option, or like
Additional formatting.
conditional formatting? No. Which functionality or which option we discussed earlier in our previous class? If I add a new line, auto extended formula will be there, automatic formatting will be there, auto filter will be auto applied. If I drag it down, these headers will become headers, something like that. Did you discuss anything?
view, free spans.
No. I'm not asking about the formula. I'm asking any functionality or any option, anything. If I add new data set here, automatically the formula should be auto extended and the formatting will be nothing but border will be auto applied. Something like that we discussed already.
Format table.
Exactly. Format as a table. Yes. Format as a
table.
So remember this thing. Whenever you are creating a named range, okay, before creating a named range, you can first change that table into format as a table, then apply this. Then automatically the value will be auto extended. Example here. If I delete it, first if I change this into
Table format.
table design, what is shortcut key of table design? What is shortcut key of table design?
Control T.
Yes, Control T or Control L. Yes. Try it once, apply Control T, change this into table design, then give a named range to every header, go with this create from selections, apply top row has header, hit OK. Automatically it will take in the named range, then apply these functions. And then try to add one more line. Automatically your named range will be also edited. Okay, try for this. This exercise for today. EMI table and named ranges. Named ranges, I want to see this window, and this window I want to see after changing the table into table design. Clear? Okay. Lookups. Lookup. Lookup means in English?
Look
for, right?
Yeah.
I'm looking for a job. I'm searching for a job, right? Look for, in search or search for. Look for. I'm looking for this data set. I'm looking for this file. I'm looking for this material. I'm looking for this watch in Flipkart. I'm looking for this watch in Amazon, right? I'm searching for this watch in Flipkart. I want to order in Flipkart. I want to order in Amazon. Look up, search for. If I take example of a data being maintained in supermarket, there are various kind of data set would be very simple data set is like this. I have this data set. Data set is customer code and customer name I have. Like whenever you're going to Ratandeep or Vijeta, right? These guys are asking you your cell number and your name, right? Then they're registering you in their system and they're giving you a card. And they are just, loading some points on your buyings, right? Next time if you're going there, then they will tell you that, okay, do you have a card with you or do you have any membership number with you? If you're giving that membership number, then what they are doing, they are giving some points to you, and then that point can be redeemed in your next shopping. Happens?
Yes.
Same thing happens with Apollo Clinic also, right? If you're going there, they'll ask your number, then they registered you, and some discount will be there, or they will be giving some points. Next time, if you're going to buy some medicines there or any cosmetic item, then they will be telling you that you have these many points. Do you want to redeem it? Then you can redeem it, right? Same thing here also. I have some data set, nothing but customer code I have customer name. In this table, how many rows and columns?
2 columns, 4 rows.
2 columns, something but customer code, customer name, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows and 2 columns. Guys, this is very, very important session today for VLOOKUP. Very, very important. 100% this question is being asked in any of the interview, be it fresher, be it experienced. And 100% this VLOOKUP function will be used in your day-to-day workings. Don't miss anything. Try to understand it. What I am telling you, it's very, very important. Fundamentals of VLOOKUPs. It's very, very important. You'll not get confused if you're listening me properly today. How many columns I have?
2 columns.
And how many rows?
5 rows.
I have customer code. If I have customer code 123, the name should be here.
Raj, Prashant.
If I write 123, name will be
Kumar.
122.
Ravi.
Ravi. So what I'll do is I will apply VLOOKUP. Before that, 1 minute. Before that, I have here 2 columns I am searching for customer code. Customer code is here. Customer name is here. Nothing but I'm searching for in these two columns. If we let me write here one more time, 121. I'm searching for from columns. This way I'll search in this column and I want to fetch customer name. Column to column. I'm searching for column to column. Yes or no? It means vertically I'm searching for. Vertically. We look up. Vertical lookup. We look up. This value I'll search in this column and I want to fetch customer name. Vertically I'm searching for the values. Now let me apply. We look up here. We look up. Tell me how many arguments?
1, 2, 3, 4 arguments.
Okay. How many mandatory?
3 mandatory.
And 1 optional, right? Lookup value. Lookup value. What is the lookup value we are searching for? Which value?
124.
This value I'm searching for. And here I'm searching for K10. Next I'll search for K11, right?
K11.
What is common? K10, K11. What is common?
K.
I will freeze K.
Yes.
Comma. Table array. Table array means in this table. Remember this. Table array means entire table. Table array, entire table. Table array means entire table. Select this table. And whenever you select any array, remember this. You need to freeze it. How can I freeze it?
F4.
Simply apply F4 key. Done. Freezed. Can you see? Dollar symbol. Comma. Column index number. Okay. What I want to know, I want to take customer name. In this table, what is the customer name column number?
2.
2, comma. Approximate match and exact match. Exact match I want. If I write false, Prashant, instead of this false, I told you already that what is default value of true?
1.
What is default value of false?
0.
0 I'll apply here. Instead of false, I can also write 0. Exact match. This number exactly should match, then only give me the result. Exactly matching 124, 124. Matching, right?
Yes.
Done. Prashant, let me drag this formula down. If I say 122, now name will be?
Ravi.
If I say 121, name will be?
Raju.
See, I'm just changing these numbers. Automatically, these names are coming from this table. If I change this name to number to 124, result will be?
Prashant.
Done. Now, let's do the next exercise. In this case, I'll apply VLOOKUP value this. I will freeze O, comma, table array is this. F4 key, comma. Tell me, column index number?
3.
Why 3?
Price is on the 3rd column.
Exactly. Because column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. 3, comma 0. Why hide and seek is not available?
Extra spaces.
No.
Seek. 1, 3.
I am
5.
searching for this hide and seek, right? Okay, let me not confuse you. Let me write like this. This actually I'll take a next example. You not get confused. Lookup value, I'm searching for lookup value product code. Okay, I will phrase n, comma, table array is this, F4, comma, 3, comma, 0. Result is there. Why 3?
Nice.
Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. Done. Now, let me do this exercise. Here I will tell you. Okay. Now, product code. I want to search for product. Tell me product code, which column in this?
Third.
Third column. Okay. If you are giving wrong customer number in VLOOKUP, then what happens is that you will get any error. Any error. There is one question in chat channel. What if you're giving a wrong customer code? Okay, I'm giving 150. 150 is available here in this list? No.
No.
Result is
Any.
not available, not applicable. Okay. Now product price. We look up value this, comma. Tell me table array.
R3.
This is the main important point, guys. This is the main important point. If you understand this, you'll understand the VLOOKUP function. Now, this is the point wherein we have to focus more.
Select from T3.
Exactly. If you are searching for product code, your table array will be starting from here, not from here. This is very, very important. I will tell, or I will just reframe this in another way, is nothing but your lookup value column. Your lookup value column should always be in first position in the table array. In the table array. Guys, 1 minute, I'm getting a call. Hello. Okay, always remember that your lookup column should always be in first column, first place, or I can say that whatever column you have from your lookup value column, right hand side, those values you can fetching. In this case, if product code is this, my table array will be this. And I can only fetch product price, quantity, and sale value. But I cannot search for customer code. I cannot search for transaction ID based on product code. In this case, I will say VLOOKUP value will be this. I will freeze, comma, table array. Table array will be starting from this product code. Why? Because product code is this column and this product is here. I will starting from here and I will set this table and I will say F4, comma. Tell me product price, which column number?
2.
2, comma 0. Done. Drag it down. Now quantity. What is the quantity column number?
3.
Remember, guys, if your table is starting from here, it will be counted from here only. Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4. It's not like that. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. No. If your table is starting from here, table array is this. If your table array is like this, then it will be first column, second, third, fourth. Okay. Now quantity, which column number?
V. 3.
I'll simply copy this. Instead of writing this function again and again, we look up, I will again search what this. Instead of writing like again and again this, What I will do, I will copy this formula and he'll paste it here, and instead of this 2, I'll make it 3. Done. Again, I'll copy this, paste it here, and I'll make it 4. Done. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Column number is 4. Result is 682. Now you tell me, transaction ID and customer code, can I fetch it?
No.
No. If you are thinking in your mind that yes, we can fetch, why? Because this, if this is column number 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be -1, -2. No, it cannot be -1, -2. No. Always remember that your lookup value column should be the first column in your table array. If it is here, if this column is here, then you can't select the entire table like this in table array. No, you have to select from here only. Or what you can do, you can cut this column and you can paste it here first, please. Then you can do it. But at times, what happens, you will not be allowed by the client that you cannot change the position of the column. You'll not be allowed. In that case, you have to choose from here. And if you want to take transaction ID and customer code also with the help of VLOOKUP function, and if you're not allowed to shuffle the column, then no, you cannot apply VLOOKUP. In that case, we will go with the index match function that we'll discuss later. Now tell me, if I have customer code and customer name, oh, let me take this. Okay, tell me, if I have product code here, tell me how many columns data I can fetch with the help of VLOOKUP function, with the help of this table.
3.
What are these columns?
Product price, quantity, sale value.
Exactly, because product code is here now, then I can use this table array starting from here. Always remember, this product code column should always be left hand side. In this case, I can fetch product price, quantity, sale value, but not customer code. Any questions, guys, on this? This is very, very important thing in order to apply VLOOKUP function. Any questions? You can ask the question now only, because if you not ask the questions, things will be more typical now. Okay, what if I have customer code? Now tell me how many columns I can fetch with the help of VLOOKUP of this table.
4.
I can fetch product code, price, quantity, sale value. Why? Because customer code column is the first column here. Done. Let's check this VLOOKUP function now. Employee ID is here and my data set is here. From this table, this is the other data set. From this table, I want to fetch these details. In this table, employee ID, employee name, designation, basic salary, HRA, deductions, net salary. These many columns I have. In this data set, same column, same sequence, yes or no?
Yes.
If I control C and control V, these headers, so the same headers, right? Both the tables.
Yes.
Control Z again. Now here I want to apply VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP value this. Let me phrase A, comma, table array. Entire table, select entire table. When you select any table, phrase it comma, tell me, employee name, which column number?
2.
2, comma 0. Close parenthesis, Morgan. For this employee ID, name Morgan, Pareto, John Backham, Suresh, and NA. Why NA?
That number is not there in the table.
This 91 employee ID is not there. That's what we are getting as an
error.
error. Now, if I drag it to right hand side, instead of writing like again same function, if I write VLOOKUP value this, let me phrase it, comma, table array. Again, I will select this table. Again, I will phrase it, comma, 3, 0. Okay, done. I'll drag it down. Again, I will write one more time, VLOOKUP, right? Do you think that you will write so many times? If you write so many times, if you have 100 column, do you think you will write 100 times VLOOKUP function?
No, we can drag it.
We can drag it. Yes, we can drag it. But the challenge for dragging would be like this. I will tell you. What do you see here now?
Morgan, change the column.
Everywhere same result, right? Designation, which column number?
3.
It should be
3.
3.
basic salary column number?
D.
4. HRA column number?
5.
5.
Deductions column number?
6.
Net salary column number?
7.
Now first line completed, I will drag it down. Job is done. But again, one challenge. You're right, changing this number manually, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Now you tell me. VLOOKUP, same VLOOKUP I'll apply. VLOOKUP value this, raise it, comma, table array, anti-table, F4 key, comma, 2, 0. 2, 0. Drag it down and right hand side. Again, same result.
Yes.
Again,
Yes.
you will change, comma, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? I only see voice from one participant. How about others?
Sir, this is Bhargav.
Okay,
Actually, there is a problem in my Wi-Fi error, sir. Something issue is going on. That's why I'm logging the mobile.
okay, perfect.
There is some technical error is just. That's why.
Okay. Lakshmi, are you fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pankaj, I can understand because you're in pain, so you're not speaking. That's okay. Okay, but here, if I drag it this side, I need to change these numbers manually, right? In order to avoid that, I will use one function. Before that, let me explain you one thing. This is very, very important, guys. In order to avoid, like, instead of writing number this manually, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Instead of writing these numbers manually, what I can do is I can apply this function. How many arguments?
1 argument.
Optional, mandatory?
Optional.
Okay, I'm not giving it close parenthesis. Result is
3.
3. If I write the same function here, column function, result is
2.
Why 2?
It's on the second column.
Exactly. If I write here, result will be
6.
because A, B, C, D, E, F column.
Yeah.
जहाँ भी लिखोगे ना उसका नंबर दे देगा तुम्हारे को. If I write here, result will be
26.
A to Z अपने को याद रहता है. Tell me here. बोलो बोलो जल्दी बोलो. यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? A to Z तो अपने को याद रहता है. Z तो 26 है, D 4 होता है, B 2 होता है, A 1 होता है, राइट? यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा?
115.
Okay, now let's go back and let's check this. I was not giving that reference. What if I'm giving a reference? I'm giving a reference like this. What is column and what is row here? Tell me. B1 I'm asking. B1. What is column? What is row? B1. What is B? What is 1?
B is column, 1 is row.
Exactly. B is column, 1 is row. What is B? B is which number? Column number?
2.
2. Result will be?
2.
If I am writing B10, result will be?
10.
Why 10? What is column here? Understand?
Sorry. 2. Sorry, sir.
Column is B only. Still result will be 2 only.
Yes,
Don't go with that number. I am writing B100. Result will be
2.
2 only. Yes, because B. I am writing here. B1000. Result will be
2.
only. Yes. Okay, let me write here. Now tell me. Result will be
4.
4.
oh, why 4?
Column D is 4.
D is there.
D is the column. A, B,
Yeah.
C, D is 4. Don't look at the number 2000. No, 2000 is row number. Don't look at the number. Look at that column. That's it. D. Okay, same thing if I write here. Result will be
2.
2.
if I drag this formula this side, now this B will become
3.
C.
Okay.
C. Yes.
Now C will become
D. Yeah.
now D will become
E.
E.
And it's F.
and this is what we want, right? These numbers
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? What is the number here?
2.
What is the number here?
3. 6. 7.
Same thing I have applied this function. I'll remove this 2 and I will apply column function. Column of B1. Column of B1. Result will be
2.
only. Yes. Drag it down and right hand side. Now see, no need to change the numbers. Because B1 number 2, C1 number 3, D1 number 4, E1 number 5, number 6, number 7. Now we will try. Look up. Guys, do not try column function in one shot. Try whatever I explained in the same manner. Okay, look up value this. I'll phrase it, comma, table array, entire table, phrase it, comma 2, comma 0. Why 2? Because employee name, column number 1, column number 2. That's what number 2 I did. Employee name Morgan. Perfect. Now if I drag it right hand side, again it's 2. Instead of changing it to 3, what I'm going to do?
Column.
I will remove this 2 only here only. And how can I get the number 2 there? What should I write?
B1.
I should write B1, close parenthesis here only. Done. I don't like this NAs. If something NA is showing, then might be few people they will think that some error is there. Some error is there. I don't like this NA. in the file. Instead of that, I can give not found, or I can give dash or hyphen, whatever you want. I want that. But I don't want to see this array. How can I control error? Which function I'll apply? I can control error with the help of if error. If error is there, go in the last. If error is there, what do you want to write? Value of error. I want to write not found. And guys, apply in the first cell only. It's not like that wherever n is there, then there only I'll apply if error. No. Apply in the first cell only and drag it. That's it. Drag it. Wherever NA will be there, now it will be replaced with
Not found.
not found. Done. Okay, do not want to give not found. Instead of that, I want to give dash. Wherever error is there, show me the dash. That's it. Done. Tomorrow we'll discuss this thing. So in this VLOOKUP table, 1, 2, 3 tables. I see that exactly same headers. Same header, employee ID, employee name, designation, basic salary, HR reductions, net salary. Same header, same sequence. Do you see?
Yes.
Same header, same sequence. That's what I applied column function, because column function, comma 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Tell me, in this case, do you think that I will apply column function here?
No.
Deductions, which column number it will be as per this table? Deductions, column number, count it quickly.
6.
Number?
6.
6. Employee name, 2. HRA, 5, right?
5. Yes, sir.
Basic salary,
Basic salary 6.
4. Designation,
3.
net salary,
7.
7. Do you think that the column function will be, see, if I write the column function here, column of V1, what result?
2.
Well, drag it right hand side. What is the column number now? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But no, my column number should be
6, 2, 5, 4, 3, 7.
exactly. I am looking for this number. Based on these headers, how can I look up this header name with this table? How can I match? I match this header with this name. How can I match this headers with these headers? How can I match? Which function I will use? Match function I will use. Which function?
Match.
Match function. I would say match of lookup value. Lookup value will be
And reductions.
this. Here I'll searching for V49. Here I'll search for C49,
C49.
D49, E49. What is common?
B column.
I'm searching for B49, C49, D49, E49. What is
49. Row 49 is common.
now? Freeze row 49, comma. Earlier I was seeing that table array. This time it is
Lookup array.
difference is in table array and lookup array is table array will be entire table. Lookup array cannot be the entire table. Remember this, very, very important. Lookup array cannot be a entire table. Remember this. Lookup array can be single column, nothing but column A, single column, multiple rows, or single row, multiple column. Now I've selected row number 1, but multiple columns. Column A, B, C, D selected. It can be single row, multiple column, or it can be single column, multiple rows. Remember this, very, very important. I am searching for what? Deduction. Yes or no?
Directions.
Deductions available here, right, in headers?
Yes.
It will be lookup array. Lookup array will be headers. And whenever you select any array, what you want to do? Whenever you select any array, what you do?
Freeze it.
Freeze it. Freeze it. Comma. Exact match. Double click on 0. Done. Close parenthesis. Result is 6. Drag it. Can you see the same numbers?
Yes.
Now I will apply here. Let me apply HRA. HRA, which column number? By the way, 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. Let me apply. Look up value this. I will phrase a comma. What is the function here? What it says?
Table array.
Table array will be entire table. F4, comma 5, comma 0. Why comma 5?
Your column number is 5. HRA.
HR is 5. Now employee name. Again I will write function. Control C, Control V. And employee name, which column number?
2.
I will write number 2. I remove this 5 and 2. But instead of that, I will remove this 5. On what basis you give me number 5? Tell me. On what basis you gave number 5?
From the reference.
Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're counting what?
Column number.
You're searching in this employee ID, employee name 2, designation 3, basic salary 4, HRE 5. You're searching in headers only, right? What I will do, I'll remove this 5. Guys, do not remove comma. I'm just putting 5. That's it. It's very, very important. I have come across the result of the queries from that students that, sir, it's not working. Because they were removing the comma also. I'm putting my cursor after 5, remove this 5. That's it. And here apply which function?
Match.
Match. 1 minute. Hello. Hello. Yeah. So now put the cursor here. Now what I'm looking for, tell me. You are matching what?
HRA.
HRA, yes. Select it. Searching for B55, C55, D55. What is common?
Row 55.
Now put a comma. Do not get confused with this comma. This comma is for 0. The comma there. Lookup array. Tell me. Lookup array will be like this?
No.
No, not an entire table. Not entire table.
A1, 2.
Like this?
No.
Okay. Then like this?
No.
No, sir.
Then like this?
Yes.
Yes, it does.
Freeze it. What you do? Freeze it.
Freeze it.
Exact match. Double click on 0. Done. Now parenthesis closed. Now this 0 is for?
True or false.
For
So
look. Now drag it down. Right inside. Check the name and everything is working fine. Designation working fine. Name working fine. Now I do not want to see this NAs. What I'll apply here?
If error.
Go in the last.
Comma. Not found.
Again I'm repeating myself. Don't think that where is NA, there only I'll apply. if error, no. Apply in first cell itself and drag it down. Wherever error will be there, it will be showing that dash otherwise. See here. Now you need to practice up to here. All these tables. Table number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tomorrow I'll discuss about index match. Because what if you have employee ID, but I want to fetch all the details, not from this table this time, from this table, I'll apply it from this table. Tell me how many columns I can fetch from this table with the help of employee ID.
3.
What are these?
HRA, deduction, and salary.
Exactly. I cannot fetch left-hand side values. Why? Because my
Because the
lookup
reference starts with
Employee
column.
ID columns.
because my employee ID is here. I can fetch this side value always, not left-hand side values. So tomorrow I'll discuss employee ID. I'll be searching for these details based on this table. Based on this table, but not with the help of VLOOKUP. It will be with the help of index match. Index match is the function. It can work any direction.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay,
आज
sir.
क्या करो तुम? आज तक तुम आज एक काम करो. आज today you have to practice up to here. VLOOKUP with match. Okay, very
Sure, sir.
important. Yep.
Okay.
And the same manner, remove this 5 and apply match function. Okay, do not write in one go. I'm telling you again. I'm repeating myself again. In single go, never ever try it with if error VLOOKUP match. No. First try with VLOOKUP, write number 5, comma 0, then remove 5, apply match function. Okay. After that, apply if error function. Follow the video and apply it. Okay.
Sure.
So then see you tomorrow, guys.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.